Following the President's directive for all schools to close down, the Ministry of Education and that of Health has written to schools to enforce the order with immediate effect to reduce chances of spreading the coronavirus. Apart from the letter advising parents with children in various boarding schools to personally pick their children from school, it further directs the release of school buses to assist drop-off students at designated areas from where they can be picked by their parents. At Afraha High School in Nakuru, a number of students who tried to gain access into the school compound were denied entry. The students argued that the sudden directive to close down schools had caught them by surprise and were now seeking to access their books from school to assist them conduct studies from home.
Tujui shule tutakuwa out for how long, but enye kitu mimi nitasema kwa form 4 wasi lose hope, waendelee kujisomea hapo nyumbani. It can make a big difference.
At the Bungoma DEB Primary, the head teacher Tobias Kisa lauded the directive to close schools, saying it would have been impossible to ensure proper hygiene and sanitation standards for the more than 3,000 pupils at the institution.
Kupanga foleni watoto 3,000 na zaidi kuosha mikono. Ingekuwa kwamba kazi yenu kwa issue ni kuosha tu mikono, haikuwa kusoma.
Elsewhere in Kwale, a number of pupils were turned away by teachers, even as those in boarding facilities left for home. A number of parents have, however, expressed concern that the mass movement of students from boarding schools back to their homes could aid the spread of the virus from urban to rural areas.
Sasa wakiwa njiani, huwezi jua akifika nyumbani atakuwa amepatikana na changa gani.
A number of universities have also begun the process of shutting down the institutions before the Friday deadline. University of Nairobi Vice-Chancellor Stephen Kiama announced the suspension of all campus learning even as the institution works on modalities of closure by Friday.
We have also asked our members of staff who have material which is ready for e-learning to work with the director of ODEL to ensure, and with their deans of faculties and directors, to ensure that those students continue running online, even those who are not registered initially online.
The Mount Kenya University has meanwhile instructed students to clear from the university premises by close of business on Tuesday, 17th March until further notice. Robbie Omondi, K24 Evening Edition.